Hi guys, today I received 3 items on the mail and I would like to show you what I got, and one of these 3 things is My Bloody Valentine 3D DVD edition. It says here limited edition as well, and it has 2 pairs of 3D glasses and also includes 2D DVD version. As a special features, you have audio commentary deep inside My Bloody Valentine, sex, blood and screams. It's pure, dirty, and fun. I can totally agree. The 3D was awesome, and the movie itself was great. And I ordered it from Amazon, and it's completely sealed. It's brand new, actually, and I would like you. Uh, I would like now to do the unboxing together. All right, let us begin. All right, I'm gonna need a little assistance here with a scissor. Alright. Here we go. Alright. It looks better now. Uh, so let's see the content inside. So here we have the front. We have the spine, My Bloody Valentine. We have a picture here. And this is the back. Let's open it up. Alright, here we go. 2 pairs of 3D glasses, and when I ordered this movie I actually ordered another 3D glasses. The plastic ones, and actually probably I'm gonna watch this movie with them, and if I gather with friends and decide to watch this movie, I will give them these. They look cool, by the way. Oh, in cinemas everywhere, October 23rd, 2009. F. So 6. Ah, alright. So here are the plastic ones, and here we have the disc. It says that it contains the 2D and the 3D versions, so my guess is that on one side you're gonna have the 2D version, and on the other you're gonna have the 3D one. So there could be no art, even if you want it to be. So here it is, My Bloody Valentine limited edition DVD, the 3D glasses. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.